awesome and wonderful. Aduro good sha. You go make them the send you go Aduro house so. My own Aduro na excellency. Huh? The same way where they put Bobrisky inside prison. Now Bobrisky they enjoy in life. Oh. These are Dugo correct, eh? Refugee. See me? This 70 years old woman. Huh? No, I'm not 70, sorry. I'm 95. If 95 years old woman that just gave birth to twins with heavy CS, that one animal was inside theater videoing my enemies while I was thinking how I will come out from the situation. Isn't God wonderful? Can I turn around? Isn't God excellent? The face you saw 3 days ago is the same face now. I don't know I do. Never come out from refugee camp where they keep me. How wonderful is this God? Somebody said I don't know with European passport. Now Nigerian passport with my visa day here. What is this? See? Who won't come Aduro? Who won't come my type of Aduro? They send you to refugee camp. Where you dey towards the Aduro way. Aduro way get to love. Television everywhere. And they eat rice with sugar every day. This sugar good though. This Aduro with rice and sugar. My God is wonderful. That face you see, you can see those of you that know how to do makeup. If you see makeup face, you can see. No powder. I don't have my cream. I don't have my soap. What I'm using here is palm olive soap. Anyone I find, I'll buy, I'll use. €1, €2.50. If they pay, it can pay. God is wonderful. Meanwhile, sorry, darling. Okay, see the two of you the same time. That is not fair now. Be fair to Mama. Meanwhile, sorry, hold on, okay? I'll carry it. Hold on. Yes, yeah, your sister is with me. Just hold on. Good boy, Mama's boy, Mama's boy. Meanwhile, I saw a very good evening, please. Good evening, everyone. You know, I don't comment not because I want to scare anybody. I just want anybody to feel I'm adamant to things. No, you know, I have to come out because of some of you that are worried over my situation. I know some of you have sleepless nights. I read some comments. I read how some people are just desperately want to get across to me, asking for my numbers, my contacts, how they can reach out to me. So I'm worried if anybody hear from me, if I'm fine, if I'm okay, if I'm under depression, if there's anything wrong with my emotion or my health or anything. I come out once in a while to let my fans, the ones that genuinely love me and know, irrespective of anything that you are hearing, and even despite you've not heard from me. We are human beings and you can only trust yourself and nobody else. But I can see that some feel, yes, it's possible this can happen. But despite that, we can't abandon her. Some will say no, we know her of her integrity. She cannot do that. And some consider the fact that I have angels in my hands and I shouldn't be disturbed because of these kids. All your concerns, I see them. And I thank you for being there for me, mostly for the kids, irrespective of whatever you think happened, whether you believe or not. One moment, please. Hello, love. Come. Yes. Sweetie. So that is it. I want to use the opportunity to appreciate you and also let you know I am fine. We are fine. God is still faithful in my life. And notwithstanding, please, just bear with me for whatever reason. Even when I said I owe nobody explanation, I owe some people explanation. It's going to be like a soap opera. It's going to be a series. And I know 2025, I'll have it the way I want it. Nothing, no Jupiter, no interruption. Nothing is going to stop it. I'm only asking God for sound and good health. And some of you will marvel. But please, just bear with me. One, I saw a video someone sent that a man was brutalizing a little boy. One, I don't know where that incident happened, and I don't really, you understand that I don't really deal on something that maybe you just post from one social media to another social media and others. Always know the source of your video. If you send it to me, irrespective, I'm not in Nigeria, be rest assured that it will be handled properly and justice will still prevail, because well, I'm putting up structure where issue like that can still be addressed even while I'm not on ground. And here it's temporary, that people that have come here and live here and stayed and live there are human beings, and I believe with God's grace everything will be set, and I'll have it the way I want it, as I said, without any interruption, without any obstruction. So don't let anything distract you. Don't let anything shift your mind or your belief or whatever you believe. Still believe it till whatsoever. But I believe the situation I am now and how I'm handling it now, I feel better and comfortable with it more than any other way. Lick my hand. Yes, darling. You can see this how I've been facing it. just imagine you pick one, the second one will not let you concentrate. So how am I going to handle the situation? God is my strength, and you people are my strength aside God. And God will bless you for being there. For whosoever that posted that video, please, there's a number that I'm going to drop there. If you have the direct source of that video, you can send it to that WhatsApp, and we will still update you on how things will be handled 2025. But I should be alive first for us to talk of other things. Me first, the kids first, then other things follow. So then the sweet one now is, my children have new names, so now, you understand, I'm going to call their names, and now, in no time, very soon, I'm going to bring their new nationalities out for you guys. But I'm going to announce the name, the new names to you, then the nationality, when it's out, I'll bring it out and you will see it. I should not call the name in public. No, I want you people to know the name. Why not? Is everything not in public? I'll call the name first. I'll go, let me check. That let me. Oh God. Queen like that. What is that your name? Again. Let me. What is that name again? Tell me, my girl. Okay, 1 second. Let me check again. I don't want to make mistake. Oh. Amen. 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 Then today, because these children are disturbing, I have a story. A wonderful story that I will tell you about a dwarf. A dwarf woman that lives in Edo State. Ishan, to be precise. And how the woman was living her life all the years, and how she ended her life, how she died, so that people will use that as I'm going to say that then a full story. You understand? I'll be dropping it gradual, that people will use it to learn lesson, so that women at times will also learn how to live our lives while we are giving birth, and who to give birth to, and how to organize the life of our children. Because people that is the nuisance you see in the society today, they are not born by dog or goat. They are born by a human being. Do you understand me? The nuisance, the criminals, the 419s, the fake, whatever you are seeing, the armed robbers and all that you are saying that you can't have control over them today in the society, that become a nuisance in our society. They were born by a human being, not dog. So we should learn from that. We'll talk about that tomorrow because of the kids. I need to give them consent. Meanwhile, I'm coming. I'll give you the name in a moment. Let me. My son, one Ochidoma, King Ochidoma, Ifeanyi Chukwu, Uche Junior. Wait now, don't interrupt. I want to listen to new names. King Ochidoma, Ifeanyi Chukwu, Uche Junior. The rest I'll bring it out. The remain two. Since they are disturbing, I'll bring the rest out tomorrow. Then the girl name is Queen. I should not mention your own. Okay, let me say one out of your own. I will mention one. Add this name. Look today. Well, I will mention one out of your own. Onyenyechi. Whether you cry, look, I will mention one. Okay, hold on. You want my hair? Yes, darling. Hold on. Queen. Queenie. Queenie. Mama's girl. Onyenyechi. Adabeke. Adane. My tomato juice. I do go one of Igbo land. Onyenyechi. Ochanya, one of Idoma land. Should I tell them now? Okay, hold on, let me tell them. No. My girl. Onyenyechi one. Onyenyechi. Ochanya, one of Idoma land. Adamarama. Omarichangwa. My tomato juice. Mama's heartbeat. Onyenyechi. Yes. Eh, 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 Magdalene. Eh, Christy. The guy named Onyenyechi. Magdalene. Christy. That is your wife name. So, and this one, Uche Chuku. If I Chuku. Okay, so this one say Uche Chuku. Nice one. I say if I Chuku or Chidoma. Yeah. So when their new nationality is out, I'll bring their passport. It's like yeah. Then we will announce it officially. Do you understand me? So she's a what? She's a I mean, God bless them. Amen. 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 So no DNA again. The name don't change. You know when you have a which DNA? You bear the name. Did you hear Yoruba name inside among those names? No Yoruba names, no Ishan name. If you want to do DNA test of the children, you must be Idoma or you must be an Igbo. No Ishan, no Yoruba. Do you understand me? If I Chuku na Yoruba name, have you ever heard Yoruba? It's Onyenyechi Yoruba name. Thank you. Magdalene, my daughter. How are you? Oh, Chanya. Adabeke. Adam. Oh, Onyenyechi.